So you normally the power supply comes in this box right here, but to make packaging and shipping a little bit easier, we took it out and we packaged it like this. So let's begin the unpack. What we have here is the power supply. We can discard that. A basic North American AC plug. On the back there is a rotary switch that allows you to select all the different DC voltages that the power supply has, and along with a polarity indicator down here. And on the bottom there is a convenient USB plug to power your USB devices, a length of cord, and a standard universal plug in the bottom. The blister pack, or the accessory pack, comes with a lovely little adjustment tool, and this basically goes inside the slot so that you can change the voltage. And it comes with these adapters, various different sizes of round adapters, a USB micro adapter, and the adapter that we'll be using, there we go, which is this binding post adapter. It plugs into the bottom of the cord, as all the adapters do, and it has a plus and a minus that you would then screw wires into, and then that would go to the PC board. So again, this is the Solvay power supply, 30 watts, has some nice features, has overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, and this should be included in the kit that you purchased as part of 2A04, 2E04.